Seaview are the place to be. We are there here together. Now Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
Yo, 4 or 5.
Yo, brother.
Oh, go on.
Go on, General.
Come on, cool, man.
Yeah, you tell a good life, man.
And the 4 or 5 block.
Yeah, right, but not there, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Tell all the good life.
So, oh, yeah, go on.
You see some Champions League football game there, I go and pray for a little laptop, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. Liverpool and Salzburg, you know.
Yeah.
So there I go and freestyle.
See him here. They have this show.
Right now, we are about to go link a legend.
See there.
Get that? A real legend. Where when you see that video, another one that said it is a genius this. Cause enough boy, I'm telling you, enough boy do a fit and sound and strong. And I walk and I beg people and everything. But them man they're so independent.
Yeah.
As a crippled man that achieve can walk.
Yeah. So we're gonna highlight him now.
We're gonna highlight him right now. Ready, brother?
Yes, I. You know the good life.
That's the trees.
We should have a good life, no? The good life. And we're there and save you, see him here. Good day, good day.
Good day.
Good day and a good life. Introduce yourself.
I'm Amoy.
Amoy. Come see you. Nice to meet you, Amoy. So how is life? You alright though?
Yeah, man.
You had a good life.
Yeah, Driggy.
Can't say where you buy.
Good life we are talking about now, we say good life. And all the while we brag, but all the while we have good life. You tell them that I'm my sister, good span shelf, can ball, you know?
See there, show
Tell them
them.
about it.
Show them Amoy, where you have for shelf. Yeah, me I tell them you forward. Amoy, tell them where you are, Amoy.
Also lighting your product.
Can't hungry, you know, she sell all the eat out the donut them, we don't know what. You see, she eat this, you know, everything good, because you can't work and not eat,
Yeah.
the truth. You see
That's the
me?
truth.
You're not even a bun around.
Yeah. Amoy, tell them where they can find you. It's why you're there.
I'm located at PS2 Falcon, Seaview Gardens. Seaview Park.
Yeah. So, you're born and grow in Seaview too?
Yes.
So how long now? How old are you now?
I'm 23.
Okay. Okay. So it's your little business this? That's good. After you leave school, this is what you do, yeah? Yeah. Don't be shy, you know.
You know.
Oh, you do here as well?
Yeah.
4 or 5, jump forward.
Why not? It's all about good life and watch you now. It's not all the while you have to see the negative, you have to see the positive. Watch you now, I'm there from me a 4 plus and now me a 40. I do have a gunshot for sure. No scare for sure. You see me? How you live your life.
Sure.
Remember me tell you, good will follow you. You're bad will follow you. You live by the gun, you die by the gun.
Sure.
You see me? So just live good.
True.
You see me? Live good with your neighbor. And you prosper, cleaner,
Cleaner.
up.
Jamaica, good life.
No joke.
No joke. Amoy. So we can come support Amoy. Falcon with the same way. Same way. The general they are giving speech. And I hear them money live in Seaview.
Yeah man, here representing the scheme, all I see them 4 or 5 there, no joke. Yeah man, banga, we have to big up the whole of them.
True.
You see me?
Yeah.
Man, I call Mackerel and them man there. Great icon, them man there, be a good them say, you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah man, no joke man. We are signing out in a live upon a good life scene, you know, no bad vibes.
No bad vibes. Oh. Good life.
Yeah, man, big up them stand-ups, you know. Sorry about that. Big up the great artists when now left Seaview. Because if that be a bad vibe, them side are gone. See him still there, hold it with me.
See him
Good yourself. Big up yourself, Dexter. Love how you keep the thing. You're not hype you own. You're just simple ratings up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right here.
I want J man.
Yeah, man, I'm going to some work here.
Yeah, man. Everybody working again.
Blessings.
Yes, I am. Big up yourself, you know, man.
Blessing. Introduce yourself, my general.
Yeah, I mean them clear, you know. Otherwise, don't overfit. You see me, I say? Yeah, them things I'm there, I start going function fun. You see me?
Same.
Go and do it. You see me, I say?
So, you in a wheelchair, crippled?
Yeah, I'm wheelchair, I'm get a shot. 21 years now, I get a shot, you know.
21 years now?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm foot paralyzed, my first one, so now I'm wheelchair, but you know?
Yeah.
The Almighty know what I go on, so just give me something to go and live by. You see me, I say?
True.
Yeah, because since I'm there and sick and can't walk, I get a little bit talent here.
Oh, since you can't walk, you start to this.
Yeah, man, everything is me there. Since we can't walk, you know?
Ludo board, and people just call Ludo board.
Yeah, man, them are the smaller size, the bigger size, and medium size. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So, 21 years, you been crippled for?
Yeah, man. Them blend the time there, you know?
Yeah.
That's struggle thing, that's struggle to survive, you know?
Yeah.
The way to survive because I tell you, say, if I don't have anything, I don't eat food. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
More time, you have your family over so, you know? And then again, you know, say, after a time, you find yourself in a wheelchair. A time come when time, like say, you become a burden to them, you know? So you find, say, you have to do something for yourself. You see me, I say? If you do the mass in a brain, you say, you can't sell much.
Yeah.
You have to do what you can do for yourself. You see me? So I am going to do this right now. I have to keep myself going. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Because more time I'm there and nothing on go on. I'm real and hungry.
This you have to turn to.
Yeah. And there and stay so and I got my bed hungry. And you hear somebody come and Glenn, one school project. You see me, I say? And right away you know say better down payment and I say go buy some food. So it's a survival thing.
Yeah.
Even Virgin has a 45.
Yeah.
You see me, I say?
Yeah, man. I'm
The
general
man
man.
come regular.
Yeah, man. Regular
Man come.
Yeah.
Them man we do them sign, any signboard.
Yeah man.
Right now if you go on the scheme you look, there's some signboard is me handwriting all over the scheme.
Yeah.
Them love my handwriting, you see me I say? So me them come to do them advertisement, you see me?
Yeah.
Man, so that whole full is a thing still because right now, as I say, we can't take hungry, you know.
Yeah.
So that's
I can understand the struggle where you go through and you still have to try, see me.
Yeah man.
In a wheelchair.
Because when I just start with them thing at 5 days, I sell them for you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
How much you want?
When I just start selling them at 5 days, so a long time that.
Yeah.
When you realize when you sell them 5 days and everything, you can't go to the market. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And then now we things start surface and now we find say, a man, you get the book, you buy your material and go check a man to do something for them all and put it in your pocket, them all charge you more than what you can do. So, Ludo boy your bill. Ludo boy, them try to charge you more than what they work really value, you know.
That's
They
true.
want to charge you more than what them supposed to charge you because them say, Ludo boy your bill. Say, I make money. You see me I say? And them want to take away your profit. Then you realize say, a wheelchair mean and I have to take a taxi out the road.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
Pay a taxi fee for go to the road and make it thing. Pay and go there and come back in. So when I say more time go there, you probably not get a sale. You gotta sell all the taxi fee alone to come back in. You see me I say? We don't know how to give thanks to the Father still because you don't know I'm doing everything.
Yeah, true.
You see me I say?
Can I understand the struggle, man. Because
The struggle real man.
all we need now with the love to get the support. Because that's all I need right now for support, you know. Because if I this you do, I need the love to try to get the support who them can support you. So how much you sell one them for right now?
Right now, we sell that size, the smaller size, we sell 15 bills. And the medium size, we sell for 2 grand. And the bigger size myself, 2.5.
2.5.
You say, normally I've been up on the job on the basket, but through them I just work on them and also finish up here.
Yeah.
You see me, I say?
So you do school project and you make anything you say you make, anything.
Anything like craft. Right now, if me get machine and gold, me ring and chain, anything you come. You see me, I say?
Yeah, so what are some of the support that I really want right now for help enhance?
Alright. If me forget that support from anybody right now, then
yeah.
if anybody decides to support them, I give me a hand right now. But now I'm gonna like to have a machine for myself to cut my bowl them. See me I say?
Yeah,
I have a machine, you can cut my bowl them. I buy my bowl them and make an employee man to come a 1 day or 2 days and cut the bowl and store them up.
Yeah.
So I have my material put on one side and my machine, you see me I say?
Yeah, I like what you're saying. I say you employ a man. So right away, you create a job for somebody else.
What is? It's a whole enterprise, you know?
Yeah, true.
My logo, you know?
Okay.
My logo, my ideas, so you go employ people, you know, can hope until. Alright, I'll show you something how do them like thing there. You see this layer where we use and play the draft. The Ludo man there, man.
Oh, it's a Ludo man name.
Yeah, Ludo and draft man. You have different color. You have the male face and the female face. You see me I say you get 26 pieces of this with the game.
Okay.
You see me I say? Yeah man. Some of them have on 2 face. You know?
So it come with as a package then?
As a package. So right now, what my idea now is to get them, you know, ready up, and you have the package with 2 or 3 dice nights.
Yeah.
Wrap in a plastic. That means there's a whole package that you get in all the craft market and the hotel craft market. Put on so. That means that people see them and get everything. Just one package, you come by and go and bet the room and play.
Yeah, yes.
See me I say?
Yeah.
One instant move. You see me I say?
True.
Yeah man, I hope that thing man.
And hopefully this program can bring you the support where you definitely need, because that's all we need, you know, to support each other, you know, to make it grow. Because when you see somebody like you in a wheelchair still trying, ambitious.
Hey.
So I tell you need the support.
Let me tell you man, I'm ambitious from long time from before I get shot. I'm a juggler from my 40, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah man, I'm a juggler daytime and make my money. You see me I say, I'm buying my things and got my house and got my yard. You see me I say?
Yeah. And at 21 years now.
Yeah. The man shoot me, him spend 10 years in prison and come back out.
Back in the days it's different now, because how Seaview now compared to then?
Oh well, Seaview love Seaview a long time, you know. See I can relate from the foundation of Seaview. See, I say, I know Seaview may get shot, you know.
Yeah.
At Franklin Town, I go get shot.
Oh, you get shot in a Franklin Town?
Yeah, but my mother house over there, so I have to come back home.
Yeah.
See, I say, I'm tell you, say, the goodness of the people them help me because them come to me to do them things for them. And they don't come to me to do them things for them and I have nothing to do.
Sure.
You see, I say, so I have to give thanks for them.
Definitely.
See, I say, yeah man, because them help me up man and I'm not disappoint them.
Yeah.
You see me I say, and them youth get 100. Say them get 100 and them get proper marks in class. You see me I say?
You definitely get support. I tell you, definitely me myself, I could definitely come buy one from you.
Yeah man.
I know I definitely get somebody to come buy it from you.
Now finish product inside there, you know.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I was gonna say I try to finish up the American of catch Christmas market and buy a fridge.
Yeah.
Because I know some market, but I go to it and only my pepper and my thing there. Yeah, I'm a fruit juice and stuff there. You see me I say?
So you try catch something for the market.
Yeah, you have to have your storage for your food because your food is important. Because Sunday gone yesterday, nearly dead with gas.
Yeah.
Gas still killing me. Because what? You know, eat right. You know, but you don't know. You know, obviously you have to catch yourself, you know.
Yeah.
Because we do for yourself. Nothing I'm going to do.
Nothing I'm going to do.
You see me I say?
So we have to try to help each other.
Yeah,
right now, you know, like the only strength that right now have, you know, is the our each other.
So last time inside I'm not very pound and they carry them because I love them, you know.
You carry them?
Yeah man, even though I work as I'm tired and go inside, if I don't do nothing enough to sleep, I go on a project. But I'm gonna make one of them. You see me I say? I'm gonna tell you say. I will change that too because
You put this in there.
no, I saw it come, man. Yeah, all the wheel broke on that day, and man, well, it's up for me. Right now, see, you're running some block too, you know.
For your wheelchair.
Yeah, it broke. Broke running some, man. See that? Right, that's up. It broke. And so, I father gotta keep it up for me. See, it broke. It was well and it was tuned. The wheel wobble everything.
Yeah, so what is now? Plastic?
It's a plastic chair. Yeah.
Oh, so you create something for it?
No, man, that's something get it.
That's how you get it?
Yeah, man, yeah, wheelchair be like this, man.
Okay.
I think a lot of days seeing church people them have them wheelchair.
Okay,
And
okay.
majority of the time I see a mark on the back. There's a mark on the back when I say a lot of days. So I have them create them kind of chair. Yeah, but it's more accurate because it don't make you lazy.
Yeah.
It don't make you hump down and it don't make you sit down and brace up. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And I broke myself back. You see me I say?
Andrew, come in.
Finish up everything. Last time I tried put it together. You see me I say?
Oh, so that's one now, that's one.
When school, them come to play everything for school project.
Oh, that's for the school project?
Yeah, but the wheel don't in the wheel I can't pan it yet. Wheel I can't pan it yet. You know, I'm not finished.
Back chunk. And normal something. See, you have all the wheel to see on where, you know.
Yeah, chunk.
Yeah. Chunk that, yeah, see it?
Yeah, third double seat.
A little glass at top, you know. Catching some cool here. You see it? Not well made that, tell the truth.
Bad, man, I like this banging. Like the new talk, they say this is banging.
I don't finish up them kind of way, if you well decorate up, you know.
Yeah.
See all the wheel them, put on the wheel them, put on some glitters for it and make it at the rim, the man, and something there for it, you know.
Yo, this need for go on the top shelf.
Yeah.
This need for highlight, definitely.
No, but you see, if you see it finish up, you put it on the top shelf, you don't say it to go on the top shelf. You put it on the top shelf, you see it finish up.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
definitely.
saying? And then make a thing in our class, thing, school project again.
The clerks, the school project.
Yeah, them teach every time at school. I hope that them thing come to my farm. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I say, I have no phone, I hope I think on the Facebook page. Who want to think?
So you have a Facebook page as well too?
You know, a Facebook page.
Tell me the Facebook page, the website.
Yeah, if you go on Overfit Enterprise, just type in Overfit Enterprise and you see the award party.
So Overfit Enterprise.
Overfit Enterprise.
Yeah, so people Overfit Enterprise.
Yeah, Overfit Enterprise. I want them have
So this is the yellow one.
yeah, man, I hope I have some saving pan me having make all the guitar. Guitar I make for them too, you know. Then we have some Bob Marley faces pan it and thing there. Them sell for people buy them for all give gifts and something there. Now I have some flowers at 1 pint. You see me I say?
Yeah.
See all the fender they carry them stay. Normally, you know, say, the bumper, you know, say, when I put on the thing there, the license plate.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Front here.
See?
And them nice, them bad, man, I lie.
Yeah, man, you see me I tell you?
Then I go from any market themselves.
Yo, man, I tell you, say, I'm Mr. Benjamin, I want to check, you know, for gas man, because I'm a big boss, you know, because I used to work with gas man, you know.
Okay.
I'm a 2-time Mr. Benjamin, you know. I am not working with gas man, I tell you, say, me have all earning. And then pay the money, I'm going to take the operation, you know. I'm going to take the same day, I'm going to get the operation, take, you know. But I pay come put more work one night, you know. I'm going to back at the gas station, you know. I'm not pre the breeze and I watch the breeze and the nature and the all the thing, you see me?
Yeah.
And then the breeze coming in my face and I start. I'm like, I talk to the breeze and the breeze talk back to me, you know. I'm going to start talking about my earning with the breeze, you know. And the breeze talk to me and say, go to your captain in the morning. As God in the heaven live it. The breeze says, go to your captain in the morning. I'm going to tell you, when I left work and I go home, I get back, me them time there. I'm going to come off at the bus and I walk through Oakland and I go my yard. The breeze don't come there, so, you know. We go on the housing scheme, and the flat up part of the housing scheme, the breeze will come there, so you know, when the breeze come back, when we go on the part of the high building then there, That means that the breeze come here, so if you recognize it, him come back. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And the breeze start to become me out of the virgin. You see when I reach out, you see when the man come, the can't reach a guard man. And so I go to the guard and I'm going to the captain. That man will wait upon me to blow and scream. I'm telling the man, so I have earned it. You must say, I'm not saying it in public because I have to go farmline and which part you want me to go? Which part you want me to send you on? A private, you know in private doctor, I'm saying you know in private doctor, alright, go to check a private doctor and come tell me what the cost and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
I remember that right now, Thomas and Ocean Hotel so. So I go in there, them send me to the again, they send you to the hospital. I'm going to send you to the hospital. You never in an office, I'm saying I'm waiting for it. And it's like father make him come because father gotta wreck everything. You see me I say?
True,
I tell the man who I go on, the man say alright. If you go in the hospital, it will cost a lot of money to use them there and them time and them medication and them something there. But if you use it in my office, I'm going to do one thing and you go home, lay in your bed and thing, and recover, I can charge you a price. You see me I say? So I go back to the guardsman and tell the captain. The captain said, go back to the man and tell the man.
As when you say, after I get shot 21 years ago,
Yeah.
you start do this.
Yeah, then they tell about the breeze come back in my room and they again with the $1,000. And the breeze come in my room again, like a mad fly. I said, wait, how the breeze? I said, oh, the breeze, I'm going to breeze. I know when the breeze come on my phone like that, they're on me. Same them was like one job. I was same never carry come over. I said to him, yo, we are telling you a while ago, I'm going to show you. I'm going to start drawing some naked people with pen.
Yeah.
I'm a brother see me a draw and say, yo, if you draw things we can sell because you don't know the connection. You see me I say? And I tell you, say, I make a prayer to and pray for God and say, my God, my King, who my trust. Cleanse my soul and make me just. Clear my ways and steer my path. Open my mind and heal my heart. And I tell you, say, Father God, open my mind. And I tell you, I see everything easy. Right now, you see the prayer where you say, Lord, my shepherd.
Yeah.
You know, I tell you, say, the part of the prayer where say, He prepared a table before me in the presence of my enemy.
Yeah.
Right now, my table start from a little bit, the table look like so. Right now, my table big. Can't hold nothing what I have.
Yeah, I see it, I see it.
I need a big table, I don't want space because Father God expand me one way. Because you know what Father God do for you? He might do for me at a time like no. Like this
prepare for today.
Prepare me for a day like today.
Yeah.
This means I say, because my tell you from the start from. Coming to the year, so. Hey!
Nothing to something.
I have a picture inside there. One Christmas picture with a tree. And I make a black Santa Claus on it. And the same year there. I make a picture there so I put it on kitchen towel. And Desmond Mackenzie become the black Santa Claus in a park the Christmas in the downtown, you know.
Yeah.
God in heaven know. I make the black Santa Claus for the Christmas. See me never there. Ask him. And you remember the day I tell you, say, when I'm in the room and I pass me home, I say, you know, say, better if I'm while ago. So I show you, remember that day there? And I see that everything manifests.
Yeah. And Andrew now, Andrew who now?
Andrew, my nephew.
Your nephew.
My nephew.
Blessings. The uncle's very blessed.
I can tell you.
Very blessed.
For the first time I met the breeze coming in my room. I'm not telling you, so when I recognize the breeze, because you have to recognize Father God before you can get where you forget. If you don't recognize Father God, you won't get done and forget.
That's true. Yeah. That's true.
You see me?
I really can't believe upon that part. Yeah.
You know him from people, you know.
About that,
You know him brother, ask him.
yeah, man.
You know them man a long time from where you live. Let us have 4 plus me there. 4 plus all of them, brother, sister, grandmother were over there. Me know some family where not know some me know. You know family them from yard now.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, my niece
Yeah man, Candy.
All of them, man.
All of them.
I really think,
Carry
man.
them.
Yeah,
all of them.
I really think,
True,
man.
true.
Yeah, man, me have some gospel, me write too, you know.
You're right.
Me write too, man. You see me? I say,
Definitely, I'm going to try to get you the help where you really, really need. Because
man, there's so much to put the world to see right now. Because I tell you, say, all of this, because man, tell you, if we get this making a real ties, you know, say it yourself. Hey, you see my friend, I'm a friend of mine, man.
Come now, yeah.
One of my little day said the same
Latter.
time.
a real God for you.
Hi. Hello.
So,
Yeah, man. See, this guy is my friend.
yeah.
First, you want to stop and talk with them all the time. I even they give me a book. I have the book and I have it inside here. And one of these books. We get one of these books. You have one of the member named Elder Myers.
Yeah.
Elder Myers, right?
Yeah.
Him support me by a whole for them board from me. Spend how much? 10,000 spend with me, you know. And the other one,
Over there. Spoon?
yeah, spoon.
Good on you, friend.
Yeah. Spoon spend buy one from me for 2,000. So
Yeah.
them support me, so it's 12,000 these people here spend with me.
And they support you.
Support me, you know, so good people pass through and see my product and then say yes, continue to keep on the good road.
Yeah.
You know?
So, can you introduce yourself then and where you're from?
Absolutely. So I'm Elder Richie. I'm from Kentucky in the United States.
United States.
Yeah.
I'm Elder Van Workham and I'm from California in the United States.
I'm Sister Barlow and I'm from Utah in the United States.
United States. And
I'm Sister White, I'm from Las Vegas in the United States.
yeah. And tell them where you from again now, my general.
You say I come from Seaview, you know. Heart of Seaview. You don't tell somebody there from me a 4. No, me a 40 and never get a shot.
Yeah.
You see me?
You
We're still there.
Born Jamaican.
Barnes,
Solidly.
Seaview Garden too.
Seaview Gardens.
So this is what we are trying to highlight and I show them say we're all here living together. You know, in peace and harmony same here. So we're trying to highlight. See a change, don't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about Seaview?
Love
Great.
Seaview.
You love it?
Amazing. Yeah.
See? So tell them about some of you. Tell me about Seaview. Like
Seaview
Seaview?
is awesome. It's only my second time here, but I've met amazing people here.
Yeah? You?
We don't come here very often, but every time we come.
Yeah. Seaview.
It's a place to be.
Place to be.
True. Enough family here for sure.
And the support. Seaview. The place to be. Wait, I need to get in the Seaview. And the place to be. We are there here. Together. Now Jamaica, good life. Seaview.
So this is where we talk about entrepreneur. I don't know I'm an entrepreneur because all these things in alone can't build them. So I need to employ some people. So what I need some space. I need a place to expand. my
Expand.
thing. I have few people working because there's a lot to be done,
Yeah,
lot
yeah.
to be made. You know, this is not half of what we can do. Many more things,
Yeah.
right? And to live in one little space, you know.
So we need the support. So you know we all can get together, we can come and we support him.
Good life.
Good life, you know?
No bad life.
So we
I
live in
left them with something to you know.
yeah, so we
I
are,
go left them with. I beg you them put on the gun, you know. I want to live good. You see, me can't live to me a party and I get a shot and I'm all about shot me. How me live? You see me, I grew up in a church. Right now my big brother a pastor, man and us, obviously. You see me, so at the life where you live, you know. You see me, because them don't tell us if you live by the gun, you shall die by it. But that's about time and everything. You can't see all in, I go, and you not try to straighten up yourself. Nobody can read for you. You can give me your opinion and try to help me, but me have to take it in my heart. This is what me want to life.
Yeah.
And when me want to see you, I'm going to ask for Father God for you. So Father God take the case, too much crime a take place, look and little race. But why him a lap race with big strap in a way, saying that up in a face, if you make the mistake, and I go step on him place, cause I live in get high, could I touch the sky, where the hell me feel by, if me pocket so dry, big I hit a tell lie, how much beat me call, but check how much gonna be. I want to ask them, you know, man, seriously, man.
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah, big thing. Yeah.
That more have before me there.
Good life.
Good life. You know, see nobody are dead. No man nah get no shot. No man nah stab a man for piece of bread around there. So, God be a them stupidness there, you know.
Yeah, no bad name to see if you are getting it.
You see that brother here come on. John, when him say good life and him a show me thing, I say, John, watch out. A real thing, this is not Father God work, this is not. Them say Father God working on me Steve. We there so, and we are check out Glenn and Glenn and show one thing and I see. Father God people them walk and see.
Yeah, same time, Father God people
Yeah, come
them
and tell you,
want
Father God, I prepare a day like this for me, you know.
see there.
Prepare a day like this for me because it start me from nothing. See, me I say, as I tell you, I start draw from paper and pen, you know, and all of this surface for a day like today. And there is a lot more lot more respect because enough time I make the things them. I know there's a song for me play on the gospel on the radio all the time say your best is yet to come.
Yeah.
So my best is still not here yet.
Yet to come.
It's yet to come. So all the support I can get, show the best is welcome.
Is welcome.
Yes.
Jamaica, good life.
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah, man, you know. See that? Jamaica, good life. Check it in on YouTube, you know. Subscribe, said we, you know. Now the next pre, that's how we're going. All carry HQ, right? That's how the 6 them there. That's how we're going. Jamaica, good life. Subscribe, yeah.
Seaview.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.